Morning, guys. As usual, the pleasant is best. Thank you for being here. Please join our group there, CryptoCitadel. That's our group there. We still at 47 members. I'd like you to join. We do a lot of stuff over there. If you get a time, please check our website as well. CryptoCitadel, em1000x.wixsite.com. CryptoCitadel. We have a blog going on there. And today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin as it's usual. We start off with the 4 hours. There's nothing much happening since yesterday. You can see that we have moved like 0.55%. Nothing much happening there. If I were to like just trade this real quick for a quick scalp, maybe I would have something around these lines here and focus on that point there sometime at 2 o'clock today, or we could have a focus around this area here. That'll be sometime tomorrow around 10 a.m. So yeah, nothing much happening here. Waiting to see what will happen back on this test here. Maybe it will bounce and go back up, or maybe it will cross. So we still have the same situation. The 0.5 is still at stake. Bears are trying to break through that line there, and bulls are always defending there. You can see a perfect bounce over in this location here. So with that in mind, you can believe that the weekly doesn't have much change as well. Going to the weekly, we're still in the same square here. We're still waiting to see what happens at close. Is it today? Oh, yeah, today, Sunday. Today, 2 a.m. on my end. We wait on that to see if it closes below and we keep shorting, or if it goes above here. Okay, so it's not looking real good for the bulls so far. We're gonna have a look at the daily in Gemini. And the daily will also not have much change, but the daily is where the real action is at now. You can see that we're trying to figure out if we crack this area here, which rejected yesterday around here. You can see it hard rejection again there, and it's going down. So we're gonna wait and see if this holds, or if that corona dump line there holds. So still within expectations that we have been saying all along. So we'll wait for this triangle to solve here. If it solves downwards, we know we have already started shorting, no problem. If it starts strengthening above here, then we know, okay, let's start thinking of longing these, probably to a first target around this area. And if that passes, probably to a second target of around that area there. So yeah, I don't think much has changed here. I was reading a bit earlier today, and the overall look is bearish, meaning really. So we have Bitcoin started a major decline. Okay, 10,000 has been the roof, and it has gone as low as 9,000. Okay, we are currently below 9.6, which is below the 100 simple moving average on the 4 hour, and that's not good for the bulls. If that keeps happening, the pair remains at risk of more losses. So that's basically what's happening right now, and you really need to see the bulls start recovering this area and start going back up. Otherwise, the bears will have a hold on trend and start visiting lower areas of support over here and over here. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. I've been invested in IOST lately. Bitcoin is stagnant. We can see that some of the alts are starting to pick up. So this is the area where Bitcoin started to dump, but then it found some support and the alts are starting to rally. So this is one of those dark horses coin. If you can look, usually when I want to invest in a coin, I usually look into the weekly and see how is it faring week after week. Okay, if you see that your coin is not faring so well weekly, it keeps dumping, just stay away from that. If you look at the RSI on IOST here, it just signals bullish. So this is a bullish signal here on the RSI. So that's a good sign if you're looking to invest into some of these alts, and IOST is one of those points. So I'll take this opportunity, maybe have a line there, have like complete bottom for it, have one there, and keep watching that. Maybe we'll have a trend line over here. If you have one of those, you can see that you have already broken resistance here, so you could expect like a rally up here and maybe a test below here. So this is one of those coins I have my eye on, and I'll be buying a lot of it on the coming times. And there's a lot of places that you can invest in products like this, like the Power Mine Club. They're purely IOST based. You can see one P mine equals to 8,900 IOST. So what Power Mine does is you can, for example, use your IOST to buy some P mine. Once you do that, usually I don't have any wallet installed here. Once you do that, you'll be given some Power Mine. Okay. Okay, I have like 150, so I can try with that. Alright, so okay, let's see, I stay balance, okay, it's reflecting. Okay. Alright, once you buy some P money, you'll get a confirmation that you're buying some, you'll confirm here. I'm not gonna buy, I don't wanna buy. You can come and stake the same P mine here. You can see I have some staked P mine over there. Once you do that and you stake, you'll be getting dividends every 24 hours. So this is 150 IST that I got completely for free, as Pmine has mined some of that IST for me. They will invest in dApps for you. They'll have a whole set of investments that you can see over here. These are all the investments here, and they invest in a number of things, and then once that is done, they return some of those investments interest that they got back into the community. So that's a good place. They also have a built into a power DeFi. This is a Uniswap, also based on IOST. You can see you can swap almost any IOST based coin here, and you simply swap. I have had swap a few of my coins here. So overall, it's a great place to do that. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Elliot. Thank you, Pandachan. Thank you, RBL. Thank you at the Orcas group. As usual, we're gonna keep this below 10 minutes, and that's about it on my time there. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.